Good morning, good afternoon, good anywhere you may be all over the world. So, as we have promised to, always be here, to always show up for all your business needs, for you to be well strategically positioned for growth, healing, and for thriving in your business. So, this is on consulting, and today, just like we've seen the title of our live session, why businesses fail. Why businesses fail. So we are bringing you this video because it's the beginning of the new year, and you need you need to start doing things right from the beginning of a new year, in the beginning of the year, so that as you progress in the year, all your plans, all what you have to do, you can achieve them accordingly. So reason why businesses fails, right? We have that are going to be giving you, and we want you to take note of those points for the reason why businesses fails. So businesses fail for so many reasons. There are so many reasons why businesses fails. I want you to avoid all those factors that makes businesses to fail. So most failures comes down to decisions. You are taking poor decision. You don't, analyze those decisions, sit down, weigh it very well before you take it. Just take decision haphazardly. Weak systems or lack of adapt rather than bad ideas. So all these key points are what we are going to be dissecting for you practically in this live session of why businesses fail. Number one, poor financial management. Like in most of our videos, you know, we brought you videos on how businesses can calculate their profits. And in that video, I told you about Warren Buffett, one of the richest in the world. Then, though he's still alive, but he's old, he's elderly now. So he made a whole lot of money from investing, from investing, profitable investment with good decision, with good analysis. So poor decision making. He said accounting is the language of the business. So for you not to fail business, you must understand the language of business. You must understand the language of your business so you won't fail in that business. Poor financial management, what does it mean by poor financial management? So for you not to fail, that means that you must have a good financial management. So if you are going into business, you must understand the line of the business you are going into. So if you are a business owner, you are watching us on this platform, this is TOSJOHN Consulting. We're a professional consulting firm. So we bridge the gap, for entrepreneur, for business owners in the world. So please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are here to help you. We are here to work with you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. So poor financial management is one of the strong reasons why businesses fail. So this is number one cause of business failure. And what does it mean by poor financial management? No proper bookkeeping or you are doing business, you don't have records. You are not doing bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is you are taking all the transactions that is taking place in your business. You need to take record, and this is a digital age. You don't need paper to be taking record again. With your Excel, with your phone Excel, you can use to be recording all those transactions. And when you are using your business account, don't muddle your personal with your business account. It gives confusion. It makes everything to lump up together, prevent clarity. Thank you, Mr. Enoch, for joining us on this live platform. So why businesses fail is what we are treating. So, and we said number one is financial management. So when you don't take good record, right, you make money, money comes in, you spend money, but you're not taking record of it. How will you even know that, oh, this this is what I made, this is the profit I generate, are the expenses that are incurred? So you need to take record. You need to take record. Use simple Excel. If you've not to the level of having accounting software, right? Thank you very much for your comment, Mr. Yes, record keeping is very, very important. Very, very important. And when you are using your bank account, separate your business account, personal account. Yes, don't lump everything together. When you don't have proper bookkeeping or records, right, the first signal to failure in your business. Another thing is mixing personal and business funds. Personal and business fund, don't mix them together. They are different things altogether. Either you are business name, either you are limited, either you are business categories. Don't mix personal and business funds. Don't mix them together. Separate them. Have your business account separate, have your personal account separate. If you want your business to pay, right, you can decide how much can your business at the moment. Can your business afford to pay you this salary? Put a salary that you will be getting, not that money comes into, you just send money out, you just use the money. No, tell yourself on a monthly basis, based on the level that my business is, how much can this business afford to pay me at this time? If it is 400, if it is 500, right, put it on record. Have a offer, if possible, have your offer letter for yourself. Yes, 400,000 monthly salary, and then be collecting, and then don't be using any money in your business anyhow. Once you have been paid your salary for that month, then that is fine. That is fine. Don't be spending money anyhow from your business to avoid failure, right? So don't mix personal and business account. It's dangerous. It will bring your business. Yes, so many businesses, model things together. It's not good. So another thing is poor cash flow management. So if you are watching us on this YouTube channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll bring you very important, video, live session on how your business scale and thrive in this new year. And you need to get things right from the beginning of the new year. So poor cash flow management. You have cash, but you are not managing it well. Money enter into your account, you just blow it. Clients pay you or customer pay you money, you've not delivered the money, the work, the and you started spending money. It is dangerous. It brings your business down. It makes your business to fail. So it is, factor of poor financial management. Please manage your fund very well. And of course, we are TOSJOHN Consulting. serve as business consultants, we serve, CFO, we serve as outsourced accountants. Sir, we are a growth business support partner. We can partner with you so things are done the right way in your business. For the first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are promised that all through this year up with a very important video that will help you in your business and in as well. So I'm a chartered accountant and I'm a business coach and the managing partner of TOSJOHN Consulting. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Feel free to reach out to us on any issues that your business is facing because that business will not fail. That business must succeed. And we are bringing you why businesses fail so that you may understand what you should avoid, what you should not do, the don'ts that you should not involve yourself in so that your business will scale and thrive. Then another thing is overspending without budgeting. We promise that we'll bring you, a live session of budgeting. Budget is important. We cannot overemphasize the importance of budgets. Even personally, your personal self, you need budget. Yes, personal self, you need budget, not to now talk of your business. So if you as a personal person, as an individual person, you need budget for yourself. So how much more? So we cannot overemphasize the importance of budget. For example, Nigeria, before the beginning of the year, they will present a budget. Yes, at the assembly, they will present a budget. So what is budget? The income that you will make and the expenses you will incur. You will look at it side by side. Okay, I'll be generating 1 billion in a year, and then I'll be spending 500 million because your expenditure, your expenses must not be more than your income. So that's the essence of budget. So it will help you to know how much you will generate as income, the expenses that you will incur. And we have different expenses, different expenditure. We have capital expenditure when you want to buy a non asset, which we usually call fixed assets, right? We have the normal expenses like paying of salary. We call it recurrent expenditure. So as a business, you need to have a budget. So your whole budget for the year, for the year, will now translate, right? You can now break your monthly budget. So on a monthly basis, this is the income that the company should make. So it guides you, it gives you direction. You are not just doing things anyhow. If you do things anyhow, you get anyhow results. That is why proper financial management is very important for your business not to fail. So another thing is failure to plan for taxes and obligations. You need to plan for obligations. There are obligations your business must meet. Yes, there are obligations. There are obligations. You need to fulfill those obligations. Tax is one of them. You need to fulfill it. If you don't fulfill it, then it will affect your business negatively. Yes, government said if you make this also amount of from your profits that is left, this is the amount of tax that you should pay. For example, in one session we brought you video on the tax obligations for this January 2026. The tax obligations. businesses obligations. For example, CAC annual filing for 20 is on, is part of your obligations as a tax filing for payee annual return 25 is on, payee on a monthly basis for December 2025 is on, is even late. VAT value added tax filing, either you are paying or you are not paying, it's fine. One of our clients we were discussing that having a tax identification number does not mean that you will not be onboarded on the you will be onboarded file, because if you only have tax identification number, how will you now file? If you have a bank account and maybe you go to the bank or you don't have the app to do transactions, to do the operations, how will you do things? So you have your tax identification number, which we have explained to you. You need to be onboarded on the e-tax platform, because it is on that e-platform you will now be filing for your taxes to be compliant with your obligations. It's a statutory obligations. Statutory obligations, you must do it. So the signals, the factors under poor financial management, avoid. So please give us a like, thumbs up, joining us for the first time, and we appreciate your time in this live session. So another thing is number two. So before we move to number 2 factor, many things are profitable on paper but die due to cash flow. So you are profitable on paper. Who will that one? That will not help anybody. You must be profitable not just on paper. In reality, practically, you must be profitable. So that is why you must avoid poor financial management. So moving to number 2 factors why businesses is lack of planning and strategy. We are strategists, we plan, you know, we partner with businesses for growth. So you can reach us. We are here to help you. So lack of strategy. So there's a popular saying which says that fails to plan, automatically you have planned to fail. You have planned to fail. If you don't plan your life, plan your businesses, plan your career, plan your family, then basically you are planning to fail. So in one of the video for on our career session that we brought day before yesterday, you become a chartered accountant, because as we are helping business, we are helping young professionals to succeed in their career. How to become a chartered accountant. So one of the questions, was asked that ICANN hard, and we said ICANN is not hard. Maybe your network, maybe it could be as a result of network. Yes, where everything is moving fine from our end here. Probably is the network from your. Sorry about that. Maybe you can refresh your network, but flowing freely here. Thank you very much for that observation, Mr. Enoch. Thank you. So we see ICANN is not hard because we have thousands of charlatans, people that have gone through ICANN with their exam and they have passed successfully. So it's hard. How will they now have, become a chartered accountant? So it is only hard when you don't plan, when you don't prepare, when you don't study, when you don't do what you're supposed to do. That is when it becomes hard. I remember one of the exam I wrote, and they started giving the exam scripts, the question paper, and those in the because sitting towards the back, that was where my seat is. I was sitting towards the back, and I prepared very well. I am writing exam. I put in everything because I don't want to fail. Failing, and for me not to fail is to plan and prepare, do what I need to do. So I've done that by God's grace, because it is not by power though. So by God's grace, I've prepared and asked for God to help me. So giving the answer script, and the students have started, you know, complaining about the questions. That the question is hard. In my own mind, I was saying that, well, set maybe the question that they set is outside the syllabus, outside the textbook, the materials that we have to study. But if it is within the material, within the textbook, then I don't think there's any problem. So lo and behold, giving the question paper, and I look at it, I look at all the questions from one to think like 7 questions, and thing is what I know, I've read, I've known it. The only thing I now like, okay, answer 5 out of 7. Choose the 5 that I love most. Not that I cannot answer all the 5 because of the instruction. I have to answer only 5 out of the 7. So what makes anything hard or difficult is when you don't study, you don't plan, you don't prepare, you don't do what you are supposed to do. That is when it becomes hard, difficult, or challenging. So please, if you are a young professional school leavers, you are watching us, we are encouraging you, right? If you have a dream of becoming a chartered accountant, which there are so many opportunities in that line, we encourage you to prepare very well, study very well, go through the materials, the past questions, make sure you 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 do what you are supposed to do, and you will go to the exam more confidently and pass. And the same thing apply to businesses. When you are set up for business, plan, have knowledge of what you want to do. For us as a professional consulting firm, before we are set up for what we are doing, yes, we've had the right qualifications, the right experience, the right skill, knowledge, and we are fully ready and prepared to do this. That's why we are doing it, and we are always showing up, giving our time to this course to also help you to succeed in your life, business, and career. So when you don't have business plan, there is business plan. Set up for any business, there are business. In fact, we have got you a video on business plan, and if you need business plan, you can reach out to us. Clear business plan is one of the factors that make your business to fail under planning and strategy, because business plan is a strategy, and strategy is positioning yourself for growth. That is what strategy means. You are positioning yourself for growth. That is strategy. So you need to have that strategy. Then another thing is undefined target market. Which market do you want to serve? So you need to define target markets. So for us as TOSJOHN, we know our target markets, individual, semi, corporations. We are serving them because all our professional services are for them. So we know the market we are serving. Then another thing is no pricing strategy. You need pricing. It's not just by selling. How much, for example, if you purchase a product for 1 million and you are selling it 1 million, is that one a business? You purchase for 1 million and you are selling for 1 million. That's not a business. You must have pricing strategy. You must put a profit margin. You must put a margin, right? A margin, you know, that is workable. A margin that, will make your business to thrive, to scale it. Because you are not doing NGO, you are not doing charity, you are not non-governmental organization. So you are set out for business, profit, so that your business can continue. So you need a pricing strategy. So we are here to help you. We are a strategy. So in one pricing, strategy, we can serve as your growth business support partner. Reach out to us. Yes, we're discussing with one of our clients, and he was telling us about pricing of their products. And he was saying that it is not a, and we're talking around, what and what and what are supposed to do. So we have conversation with you. We try to understand your business and give you the right strategy and give you a proper plan, pricing strategy. You need it for your business to sell. It's not just by selling. If you are selling and that selling is not profitable, then there's no point. There's no point. You need to sell, and then your selling must be profitable. Then another thing is no growth or exit plan. If you are not growing, you are not progressing, you are not succeeding, not planning anything, so it will not, give you a success. There will not be any success. So that planning will trigger your success. So without direction, businesses operate blindly. If you don't have direction, you operate blindly and collapse when challenges arises. They collapse when challenges come because you have not built a solid foundation for your business. So we have encountered this and we are still standing strong. We are still standing strong. So businesses will encounter challenges in one time or the other. But when you have planned, when you have built a strong foundation for your business, then you will succeed. So that is why we are here to be your business growth support partner. So feel free to reach out to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share to other people. Moving on. Thank you for staying through on this session. We appreciate your time. So moving on, we have number 3, weak management and leadership. Weak management and leadership. Incompetent or inexperienced management can make a business to fail. Example, poor delegation. You are delegating what you are supposed to do by yourself as a business owner. Then there will be issues. There's no problem of you delegating. Before you delegate, you must be sure of what you are delegating so that you won't delegate what you're supposed not to delegate, and then it will collapse your business. You train people, give people training, and when you give them training, be sure that they have acquired the skills and knowledge in the competencies before you delegate to them. Then another, no accountability. Who are you accountable to? You must be accountable in whatever you are doing. Maybe your partner, maybe your stakeholders, wherever as stakeholders or partner, you must be accountable to them. Then another thing is owner dependent operations. Everything revolve around over dependent operations. Then another thing is business that cannot function without the owner is fragile. It's fragile. You must build system. For us, we're technology driven professional consulting firm. Yes, technology driven. We build system to make things to work smoothly. For example, day before yesterday, client reach out to us. You want to do business. I will just send them the plan. to do their to send all their information, and now to process it seamlessly within the same day, got approval of the CAC. And that is what we have been doing to all our clients: seamless service delivery, seamless quality service, because that is our pride. That is our pride, to deliver a quality, timely service to all our professional services. So we have implemented technology, and we are driven by technology in all our business. So another factor, number 4, why businesses fail is independent market research. Market research, inadequate market research. So poor understanding of customer needs. For us, when you reach out to us, we want to hear from you. Tell us about your business. We are not just, okay, we will send you invoice and everything and do. No, let's understand your business. Let's understand you. When we understand you, then we know your needs, and we give you solution based on your needs. Customer centric. We are customer focused and deliver quality service and products to all our customers. So for you not to fail, you must understand your customer needs. Then run services, run products or services, because you cannot know somebody's needs and then you'll be offering another thing that is not what will meet that need. No. So when you offer run or services for a particular customer, then there won't be any success. Fail because customers are the one bringing in the money. Offer them the right products or services, then the business will fail. Then entering saturated markets without differentiation. Market that is saturated everywhere. So what are your differentiation? What makes your product different? And what can that product do that is different from what is existing in the saturated market, congested market? So you must have differentiated products, special products that offer solutions. Then is customer decide businesses success, not the owner. When the customer are the one deciding the business success and not the owner, as the business owner, as the strategist, there might be failure. If that customer leaves, then that business will fail. We've heard one of business owner that said they are depending on just number of customers, and then when those customers left, then business was about to die. So they now we have to strategize again and not to depend on one or two customers, few customers to survive. So you must have large customer base and offer them all their needs, so that when one leaves, it will not affect your business. And customers will not just leave. If you are doing them well, if you are offering them a product, they cannot leave. Then another is poor marketing and sales strategy. Poor marketing and sales strategy can make your business to, yes, it can make your business to fail. For example, assuming good products sells themselves. Products will not sell themselves if you don't bring it out for customer. If this is the best product and you are hiding it, you are keeping it, people don't know about it, how will they patronize you? How will they buy from you? So don't assume that a product is good and it will sell itself. You need to present it. You need to advertise it. You need to market it. You need to make it known to the customers that need it so that it will sell. Then weak branding and online presence. Branding, you need branding and packaging. And then your online presence. For us as TOSJOHN Consulting, ensure that we have a very strong presence. This is YouTube Live. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have TikTok, we are on LinkedIn, and website. So strong branding and online presence will make your business succeed. But if you have a weak brand and online presence, it will make your business to fail. So we also help in giving you a strong branding and online presence. We are a comprehensive and holistic, versatile consulting firm. You can reach out to us. The thing is inconsistent customer acquisition efforts. Customer acquisition efforts, there is no consistency. You don't have customer base, so it will affect them. No sales, no business. You don't have sales, means there will not be any business. And for you to have sales, you must have a strong online presence. People must know you, and not just knowing, they must patronize you. They must patronize you by when you offer quality product and services, and they know about powers, to clients, that oh, this is the person that to do this. They can do it very well, even when they have not seen us. Our customer that we are serving, they can refer us to them. They will be the ones speaking for us even when we are not there because of what we have, and they are enjoying the services and products. Then seven factor is compliance and legal issues. Compliance and legal, you need to stay compliant. CAC compliance, tax compliance, business compliances, industry, you must stay compliant. Compliance now protects you. Compliance now is now an asset. It's an asset. It's an asset. So you must be compliant and avoid legal. So compliant and legal issues will make your business to fail. So failure to properly with CAC or tax authority will be there will be an issue, a serious legal issues for business, and you are not ready. Well, we have talked much on this platform that if you are a business, you are not registered, you are doing business, you are not doing your, and it's just a matter of time before you start having issues with regulatory authorities. For you to conduct your business legally, you must register with CAC, and we are CAC accredited agents. We are tax advisor, tax expert. We are chartered accountants. We are tax consultant, external auditor, business consultant, financial management consultant. We are professional, all-round professional. So you can reach out to us for all your business compliances. Then non-filing of returns. When you don't file returns, filing of return is different from payments. If you are within the threshold, then you just pay. But when you are within the threshold, you are not filing. Then an issue, serious issue, like your VAT, your payee, you need to file it as a company, and as a business name, you need to file VAT and remit your payee for your staff, and do your annual filing for yourself and your employees. It's very important. That's why we are, always here showing up to all this information. And as we are giving you, you need to also apply it, use it, make use of it, and let's partner with you for growth. So another penalties, fines, or business shuts down. If legacy persists, there will be penalty, there will be fines, summarily shuts down of that business. Then regulatory non-compliance silently destroys many businesses. Regulatory non-compliance silently destroys many business. If your compliances are not, looked into, are not tax, CAC, business options, if you don't attend to them and it persists, it can collapse your business. So number 8, rounding on this live session, poor customer experience. What are the customer experience? If customer, do business with you, what are their experience? For example, if you reach out to us, we don't delay. As many customers as possible, we attend to their work promptly. Service delivery is one of the poor customer experience. Service delivery, poor one. Ignoring customer complaints, points to this, complain and all that, you are not attending to it, then it will affect your business. No after sales support. Give after sales support to your customer. For example, if you reach out to us for CAC registration, you are automatically our client that will continue to serve you and give you support. Yes, continue to serve you and give you support. So unhappy customers damage reputation and revenue. When customers are not happy, it damage reputations, revenue will be affected. When your revenue is affected, then what will you guys do? It will bring down your business, because they are in business to generate income and for that business to keep on surviving. So number 9, underestimating competition. Competition everywhere. So it's either you collaborate or partner. Competition that you cannot beat. There are some competition you cannot beat. You can only collaborate, partner with them, right? So you should not underestimate competition. Copying competitors without strategy. You are copying, there's no strategy. Price wars without cost control. It will affect your business. Then competition requires differentiation and innovation. Your product must be different and it must offer more than what the competitors are offering, because that is what will give you an over your competitors. Yes, and if you have good competitors, you can partner and collaborate with them. What are they offering? What you are offering they don't have, you can offer. Collaborate with them. Then another thing, number 10, is over expansion too fast. Don't expect, plan everything very well. Expanding without system will summarily collapse the expansion. There must be system in place. Then opening branches without capital structure, without capital or structure. They are opening branches and there's no structure. It will fail. It will fail. Don't be too in to expand. Relax, calm down, map out build system, build structure. Then growth without control leads to collapse. Growth without control leads to collapse. When you are growing and there is no control, everything will crumble, will collapse, and you don't want to, see that happening in your business. So that is why you need this right strategy to build a lasting and a thriving businesses. And that's why we are here to support you in this your growth journey in your business. So number 7, as we are rounding off, is lack of system processes. Lack of system and processes. You need system, you need processes in your business. When you don't have SOP, standard of operations, system of operations, when you don't have it, how do you treat different things that happen? No internal controls. Control have you put in place internally? No reporting structure. What's your reporting structure? There must be reports. You must report different departments of what is going on so that you'll be able to make decisions. Then businesses fail when systems don't replace personalities. Systems should replace personalities. Even you as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, it's not until you are before that business can move. Build system down and let it move Your own will just be an oversight, control, and everything. The system will be, doing all those things. You don't need to overstress yourself. Let's help you build system. Let's help you build process. Let's help you build standard strategy into your business for your business and thrive. Then number 12, as we are founder burnout. Founder burnout. The business owner is experiencing a burnout, doing everything all alone. You are the one doing everything. People, maybe for sales, for marketing, let other people handle it. Those that will be handling customer, handling suppliers, let them handle it. Don't be here, there. You are everywhere. You are physically drained. So when you are doing everything by yourself, your health is poor work-life balance. When you don't have work-life balance, it affects you and can affect your business negatively. Then stress, poor decision. When you are making poor decision and it's bringing stress, trauma on you. So burnout is bad choices. When the founder, the business owner is burnout, is stressed out beyond limit, you will make wrong decision that will collapse that. They fail gradually, then all at once. They will be, before you know it. Say, is this not ABC business? But not there again, tell they are bankrupt, they are failed. We don't want that for your business. So to plan your business very well. We are here. So strong businesses succeed by number one, planning properly. Yes, when you will succeed. Managing finances effectively. You cannot overemphasize these finances. Proper finance planning. Yes, planning properly. Compliance. Compliance. Building systems. Build structure in place. Then adapt continuously. Adapt when things are changing globally, economically. You change. You are flexible. You change. You need to re-strategize. You re-strategize. You need to be flexible. Be flexible. Flexibility. Dealing with your business operations and activities. That your business must not fail. It must not crumble. It must not go bankrupt. Let's put you for growth. So all our services and products are comprehensive and holistic, and we are a versatile consulting firm. Let's work together. Let's work with you. Let's help you put things in order. Your compliances, your processes, your strategy, system for accounting, for tax, for CAC, for audit, technology, for every area of your business. Let's help you. Let's partner with you for growth. And we are definitely for your business. That's why we are showing up here to give you all this knowledge, all this information, to dish it out to you, dish it out, package and dish it out to you very well. That will help your business to scale and succeed. So we are TOSJOHN Consulting, we're a professional consulting firm. So you can reach out to us on all our contact line, WhatsApp, and email us. You can have a one-on-one. Let's know about your business. Let's partner with you. Let's help you move that business from one level to the higher level, because you have a lot to offer. That is why you are set out for that. And we ourselves too what to offer you. That's why we are bringing all of informations and knowledge to you. So to us, let's partner with you for growth, and we are definitely rooting for your the January business compliances for tax, for CA, for the annual filing, for everything. Please comply and avoid penalty, and we can serve you in all those compliances. Feel free to reach out to us, and we are rooting for your business. So my name is Oluwatosin Maja. I'm a chartered accountant and managing partner of TOSJOHN Consulting. So until we come in another live session, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you like, make sure you share, then comment. Let's hear from you. And also refer us to businesses that need all our professional consulting services. So wish you a successful day, favorable day. So keep smashing and keep making progress. So bye for now. Bye. So thank you, Mr. Enoch, for joining us as well, and all those that join us on this live session. We appreciate you. Thank you, and have a good day.